Now I want to show you how to use the formula to get the median.
So let's go back to that previous example and try applying the formula to find the median. Now I know this is a very simple example. It only has a few numbers and we already know what the median is. But I want to show you how to use the formula to find the median so that you can do it when you have, instead of a handful of scores, you have 30, 40 scores. Especially, for example, when you go and use a frequency table, you want to know how to find it easily. So let's have a look. Here were the numbers we had a moment ago. So, the median is, now remember this formula tells you the position of the median, not the median itself. It is the n plus 1 over 2th score. Well, how many scores are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's the 9 plus 1 over 2th score. Notice I'm careful to always write that it's really important. It's the 9 plus 1 over 2th score. This is not the median. Okay? 9 plus 1 over is 10. 10 over 2 is 5. It's the 5th score. And now suddenly you can see where it is. Because you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the median, which is 4. You see, the formula didn't tell me that the median was 5. The formula told me that if I write my scores in sorted order, then the median is the 5th one, which in this case is 4.
And now the second example, with an even number of scores.
Okay, here's the set of scores we had, already sorted. So let's write the formula. The median is the n plus 1 over 2th score. Remember, it tells me the position of the median, not the median itself. Okay, how many scores have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 1 over 2, that's not the median, that's the position of the median. Well, 8 and 1 is 9 over 2, which is 4.5 score. Oh, the 4.5 score, it must be halfway between the 4th score and the 5th score. Now we knew that already, we've got an even number of scores, so the median is going to be halfway between the two in the middle. So I go back to my sorted list and I find the 4th and 5th scores. My pen's not decided not to work. Okay, the 4th and 5th scores. Let's try green instead. There we go, the 4th and 5th scores. So it's halfway between 16 and 18, which is 17. Notice again, this formula for the median doesn't tell me the median, it tells me where to find the median, and I must remember to have my data sorted. Always sort your data before you calculate the median. So let's try a couple more easy examples so we can practice how to apply that formula. Here's a set of numbers. They're not sorted yet. Just a quick idea. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 scores, that's an even number. I'm expecting to have to get the 2 in the middle and find what's halfway between them. Okay, first step, sort the scores. Let's have a look. I've got a 2 and a 3. I've got a 5 and a 6. I go another 6, 7, 8. Then 9, 11, 12. Okay, I've got myself a sorted list. What's next? The formula. The median is the n plus 1 over 2th score. Remember, it's not n plus 1 over 2. That's the position of the median in this sorted list. So let's have a look. We decided there were 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 scores. So that's 10 plus 1 over 2. It's that score. 11 divided by 2. 11 divided by 2 is 6.5. No, it's not. It's 5.5. The 5.5 score. So we go back to our list and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Halfway between the 5th and the 6th scores. Well, halfway between those two scores is 6.5. Remember, the formula doesn't tell you the median, it tells you the position of the median. Another example. Okay, again a very short list just to practice using the formula so that later on when we get to frequency tables with hundreds of scores in them, we still know what to do. Let's have a look. This one has, again, an even number of scores, 6 scores. Let's sort them first. What have I got smallest? 4.7, 4.8 and 2 4.8s. 4.7, 4.8, 4.8. 4.9, 5.0 and then 5.3. That was a particularly messy 9. That's a bit better. Okay, right, formula. The median is the n plus 1 over 2th score. Okay, there were 6 scores, 6 plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, that's 7 divided by 2, that's the 3.5 score. 3.5 score. That means it's halfway between the 3rd score and the 4th score. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Halfway between those two. It's a little bit tricky. If you're not sure, add them together and then divide by 2. You should get 4.85. And there's the median using the formula.